Hello, welcome to the channel, subscribe and leave a like. On the 6th of October, a group of archaeologists, member of the site-uri project, published an article in which they narrated that they had found an ancient sanctuary, hitherto unknown, which would have been the site of a mysterious ritual. Located in the ancient port city of Berenike, in Egypt, the space was baptized by the researchers as Sanctuary of the Falcon. The name was chosen because of the findings at the archaeological site, remains of at least 15 falcons. According to the team responsible for excavating the ruins, the temple dates from the late Roman period, located between the 4th and 6th centuries AD, to the present 5th century. Findings suggest ritual worship of the god Khonsu, although finding remains may raise something to the contrary. The article published by the research team in the American Journal of Archeology suggests that they would have found evidence that blemmyia used hawks in cults. The excavations were carried out throughout 2019 in the city that borders the Red Sea coast. According to the information shared, the sanctuary would be in what they called the North Complex, one of the most important buildings in Berenike at the time. Of the curiosities pointed out by the archaeologists, a curious inscription on the site draws attention, which prohibits the boiling of animal heads inside the space. According to what is known, the group was in a period of territorial expansion through the Egyptian desert. According to a statement signed by Professor Joan Aller-Guzman, director of the site-uri project, all elements point to rituals that combined Egyptian and blemmyia traditions, with a theological basis related to the cult of the god Khonsu. The port of Berenike was a strategic location, functioning during the Roman and Byzantine periods. Afterwards, it was transformed into the entry point for commercial transactions carried out between the region and Cape Horn, Arabia and India, until it was abandoned in the 5th century. Discoveries expand knowledge about blemmyia. The use of birds in rituals was not necessarily an uncommon habit. Cults involving hawks had been observed in the Nile River Valley region before. However, this is the first time this has been detected inside a temple, especially accompanied by eggs. Decapitated mummified hawks had been found at other archaeological sites, but never in groups. For researchers at the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, the findings may help to better understand how blemmyias acted and thought. The findings by the UAB team also included harpoons, a cube-shaped statue and a stele, which is nothing more than a monolithic monument, built with indications related to religious activities. The team's article also reports that at the time of the excavations, they found a square room northwest of the so-called Hawk Sanctuary. There, archaeologists found walls made of white plaster stones, as well as a rectilinear alcove with remnants of marble cladding. The usefulness of the space is not known, but everything suggests that it was part of rituals and cults. Until the next video.